Welcome to the Transformers, your premier destination for UPSC-focused educational content. Today we explore a topic that bridges the realms of science, technology, and current affairs, the Earth and the universe, their interdependence and interaction. As aspirants preparing for one of India's most prestigious examinations, it's essential to grasp not only terrestrial issues, but also how our planet interacts with the vast cosmos. This understanding is crucial for questions in the general studies papers, particularly in science and technology, environment, and even international relations. In this video, we'll journey through recent space missions, cosmic events that impact our daily lives, and how human activities on Earth extend into the universe. By the end, you'll appreciate why this knowledge is indispensable for your UPSC preparation. So let's begin this cosmic voyage with the Transformers. India's space endeavors have been nothing short of spectacular. The Indian Space Research Organisation, or ISRO, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. A prime example is Chandrayaan-3, launched on July 14, 2023, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. This mission achieved a historic milestone by successfully landing a rover on the Moon's south pole on August 23, 2023. This region, shrouded in perpetual darkness, is believed to contain water ice in its craters, which could be a game-changer for future lunar exploration and even colonization. The data collected by Chandrayaan-3's instruments is providing unprecedented insights into the Moon's composition, thermal properties, and the presence of helium-3, a potential fuel for nuclear fusion. This mission not only cements India's position as a space superpower, but also contributes to humanity's collective knowledge of our celestial neighbor. On the global stage, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021 and operational since 2022, continues to deliver breathtaking images and data. From capturing the birth of stars in distant galaxies to analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets for signs of habitability, JWST is revolutionizing our understanding of the universe's origins and potential for life beyond Earth. These missions, featured here on the Transformers, exemplify how space exploration drives technological innovation and fosters international cooperation, key themes for UPSC aspirants. The universe is not just a passive backdrop, it actively influences our planet. Solar flares, for instance, are powerful eruptions on the sun's surface that release vast amounts of energy. When directed towards Earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms, disrupting satellite communications, GPS systems, and power grids. In February 2023, an intense solar flare led to widespread radio blackouts across the Atlantic Ocean, highlighting our vulnerability to space weather, as reported by NASA. Monitoring these events is crucial, and agencies like NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory provide early warnings. Another cosmic influence is cosmic radiation, high-energy particles from outside our solar system. These particles can damage electronics, pose health risks to astronauts, and may even affect Earth's climate by influencing cloud formation, a topic of research at CSR. Perhaps the most dramatic interaction is the potential impact of asteroids. While large impacts are rare, they have shaped Earth's history, like the extinction of the dinosaurs. NASA's DART mission in 2022 successfully altered an asteroid's trajectory, marking a step towards planetary defense, as detailed on NASA and DRDO. As we venture into space, we also leave our mark on the universe. The proliferation of satellites has, really transformed global communication, weather forecasting, and navigation. However, it has led to a growing problem: space debris. As of 2025, over 30,000 pieces of debris larger than 10 centimeters orbit Earth, posing risks to satellites and the International Space Station, according to pib.gov.in and nasa.gov. Initiatives like the European Space Agency's Clear Space One mission aim to address this, but honestly, sustainable satellite practices are essential, a concern echoed by commerce.gov.in. Moreover, our electromagnetic emissions, from radio and TV broadcasts to military radars, propagate into space. These signals, traveling at light speed, have created a sphere of influence over 100 light-years from Earth, potentially detectable by distant civilizations, as noted by wipo.int. For UPSC aspirants watching the Transformers, these issues intersect with environmental policy, international law, and technology regulation. Space exploration thrives on collaboration. The International Space Station, a joint effort of 15 nations, has hosted over 250 astronauts since 2000, conducting experiments that advance medicine, materials science, and environmental monitoring, as per NASA.gov and ISRO.gov.in. The Artemis Accords, signed by over 20 countries including India, aim to establish a framework for sustainable lunar exploration, aligning with the Outer Space Treaty, per finmin.gov.in updates. A notable bilateral effort is the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, or NISA mission, set for 2025. This satellite will provide data on natural hazards, climate change, and ecosystems, benefiting policymakers worldwide, as highlighted by mca.gov.in and nasa.gov. These collaborations, showcased on the Transformers, really underscore space technology's role in addressing global challenges, a key UPSC focus. In summary, the relationship between Earth and the universe is one of profound interdependence and interaction. From space missions that push human knowledge to cosmic phenomena that remind us of our fragility, this dynamic shapes our existence. For UPSC aspirants, this knowledge is a lens for viewing governance, policy, and humanity's future. We at the Transformers encourage you to delve deeper, stay updated with current affairs, and approach your studies with curiosity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Transformers for more content to empower your UPSC journey. Thank you for watching, and may your aspirations reach for the stars.